In this video, I'm going to show you how to earn money from YouTube by using Xymenya website. Let's get started. In order to get started, open your browser app, Opera, Phoenix, or another browser app. Let's open Phoenix mobile app. Then go to search box and type Xymenya. Then search this website. Then click on Xymenya website. Then after to go to this platform, go there on top left side on main section. Here on top left, then click on here on earning section. After to click on earning section, move down and go here to upload your item, product or service. Click on this final section, final link to upload your product or service. After to go there, you will getting this section. On this section, you can uploading anything in order to earn money. Let's get started. Here we see this text displaying that Xymenya digital marketplace. On first option, we choose category of the item. On category, write online project. Then here you choose a service or product or project. Here we enter YouTube channel. Here on this page we are going to share any link and we are going to sell our YouTube channel. Here you enter description your YouTube channel. Let's take an example. I'm going to share YouTube channel naming Xymenya. This is for example. Xymenya YouTube channel has 100 subscribers. It has 5 videos and it is educational YouTube channel. Then here you choose a currency. You can choose a Rwandan francs or US dollar. We enter US dollar. Here you enter your price. You can enter price of your YouTube channel, any money you need to sell this YouTube channel. Let's I put I need only $10. Yes, $10. $10. Platform fee is we pay fee of only $1 as the fee of this platform. Here you enter link of your YouTube channel. If you have any of your channel, you can enter your YouTube channel. For example, my YouTube channel is this. You enter your valid name. For example, let's enter Dieudonné. Email, let's enter Xymenya 250 at gmail.com. Enter your phone number 07912345678. This is an example. Location, let's we enter United States. Then here you accept Xymenya team and condition. Here you see these things. Or the summary category of your product is online project. Service you're going to offer is YouTube channel. Price is $10. Platform fee is $1. After to do this, click on send and download the invoice. After to click here, you are sending. Your item was submitted and you will waiting few moments. When it is reviewed, when it is successful, you will get create. You can download your invoice. Yes, our invoice is downloaded. This is our invoice. You can watch your invoice about your YouTube channel and you wait how money can come. Thanks for watching this video about how to earn money on YouTube by using Xymenya platform.